Hey guys, do my lips and my eyelashes everything today. I already do my lips, you guys can see it. But I do layers, guys. I don't know how to you guys do, but I do layers. Layers is it. So next is oh my. Sorry guys, I have to go in my lip stuff. First, I like to put lip liner on. I don't put lip liner on in second sunshine and stuff. I want a more pink one, and this is like a dark pink. And I don't like dark pink, guys. Guys, this is clear. Lipstick just look like pink, but it's not pink, as you can see it. As you can see, it looks like pink, but it's not pink, it's reddy. So, I'll put it here. As you can see there. The eyelashes I can get from there. That's my most important thing. But I only use lipstick and eyelashes stuff. But guys, do you think I've other makeup stuff? It's not my stuff, it's only my sister's stuff. Guys, she started other makeup stuff and then saved this lipstick, guys. Stick